Welcome back to Great Day. Friends, bringing home a new pet is so exciting, and the spring and summer marks an influx of kittens at local animal shelters, really making it a great time to adopt a new four-legged family member at home. And I have one right here. I'm so excited to introduce you to Elsa, and also her brother Olaf is here. I wonder where they got those names. We're happy to have Dr. Annie Valuska, a pet behavioral scientist at Purina. She's here with our new friends from the APA. Doctor, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm so much better now because I have the most adorable little kitten with me. You have Olaf over there.
Yes.
And we mentioned in the intro that now is really a good time for families to adopt a new kitten or puppy. Why is it a good time?
Well, let's be clear, there's never a bad time
I like
to
that
add a kitten
answer.
or a puppy, but we are entering what's called kitten season.
Okay.
So the spring and summer months are the times when most kittens in the year are born.
Oh.
So the shelters and rescues are going to be full of adorable kittens and puppies, of course, looking for homes.
And then once families do adopt their new forever friend, what should they have ready at their homes?
Yeah, that's a great question. So the process really needs to start before they bring that kitten or puppy home. I encourage people to put on their kitten and puppy hats, really think like a dog or a cat, and look around to puppy and kitten proof their place.
Okay.
They're a lot like toddlers. They're adorable, but they get into everything. Yes. You also need to kind of map out where you want that kitten or puppy to sleep, where you want to feed them. All those kinds of things should be in place before you bring the pet home. And then, of course, you need your supplies, your bowls, your leashes, your crates, all that stuff, and food.
And speaking of food, why is it important to feed puppies and kitties puppy and kitten food and not the adult food?
Yes, it's super important because just like human babies, puppies and kittens are going through a lot of growth right now, and they need some extra stuff to fuel those bodies. So puppy and kitten formulas contain a lot of those nutrients that are needed, like antioxidants for their immune system, DHA for their vision and brain development, and of course lots of protein so they can build muscles while they're doing all of that play. And I also encourage people to consider whether they want to feed dry or wet to expose the kittens and puppies to those different food forms. And of course, Purina has a ton of options, from Purina Pro Plan to Purina One to puppy and kitten chows, that can all really provide a great foundation for a lifetime of good health.
And then our final question as we wrap this up, as a pet behaviorist, how important are those very first months that you have a kitten or a puppy in your home?
Yeah, I mean, you can definitely teach old dogs and cats new tricks, but those first 14 weeks of life are a great time to socialize them, get them exposed to as many different people, sounds, textures, environments as you possibly can. Your vet and groomer will thank you if you can get them used to having their ears touched, play with their paws, rub their gums, get them used to teeth brushing. All of that's going to really set you on the right track for a properly socialized, confident pet in the future.
It's so good to meet you. So good to meet Elsa and Olaf over here. I think they're going to have forever homes relatively soon, and mine might be one of them. For more information, please visit purina.com/expertise.